Welcome, I'm Sarah, and today I'm taking you inside one of the world's most advanced premium leather factories.
Safety and quality are absolutely critical when working with raw hides and tanning chemical.
He actually said that right to the supervisor.
No way, I missed that.
Yeah, and then he just walked away.
Let's start from the very beginning to gears, the moment raw cattle hides arrive at our facility.
Yeah, we are good to go on bay 3, temperature stable at 4 degrees.
Cutting complete, moving to tube B2. Documenting texture as rough.
Aisle 5 scan complete. Moving the shipment to the main freezer now.
Every single hide is inspected for quality, thickness, and proper preservation before we begin processing. Only premium grade hides make it to the tanning stage.
System status, route confirmed.
Easy now, lower it slowly.
All right, guiding it in. Looks clear on this side.
After 24 hours of soaking to rehydrate and clean the hides, the real transformation begins.
The fleshing process removes all remaining tissue, fat, and membrane from the hide. This ensures only the pure skin layer continues to the tanning stage.
Mark this section here. Confirmed, this area is good. Trimming the edge now.
Now these perfectly prepared hides are ready for the most critical step, the tanning process that transforms raw hide into durable, beautiful leather.
7 on schedule.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the left side, it's dragging.
Chrome tanning is the most common method for luxury leather. The chromium salts bond with the hide proteins, making the leather incredibly durable. Sample shows excellent flexibility and uniform penetration. No weak spots detected. Recording as pass.
We should mark this area right here.
Agreed. And this section is definitely a grade A.
Look at this. Look at this incredible color and feel. The dyeing process creates that rich, uniform color luxury leather.
Now this beautiful colored leather needs to be dried and finished to achieve that luxury feel.
Approaching optimal range.
Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing. We verify color accuracy, thickness consistency, flexibility.
The texture is superb. No defects found. Finalizing report now.
Beautiful.
Check the stitching on this one.
Looks perfect, ready for hardware.
wrinkles. Every piece is assembled with precision, from the stitching that can withstand years of use to the premium hardware that won't tarnish.
All quality checkpoints passed. Seam strength and hardware security confirmed. Finalizing report now.
đang sản phẩm thu nì là không sản bệnh khí than sản phân sinh thao sản thang sảnพันและเม่นเข่งปฏิถิ่นเบิร์ทางsảnเพลิงเสาลาน
Here. From here, these luxury leather goods are shipped to high-end retailers and directly to customers worldwide. Okay, that's box 12 scanned. Where does it go? Place it on the left stack, please.
And that's the complete journey, from raw cattle hides to the luxury leather goods you see in the world's finest stores. We couldn't have done this without the whole team.
Thank you, everyone.
From raw hide to this beautiful finished piece, our leather undergoes a meticulous process of tanning, dyeing, and crafting. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible factory tour. If you enjoyed seeing how premium luxury leather is made from start to finish, we hope you enjoyed this look at how we craft our luxury leather goods. Subscribe for more factory tours.